Today I'm going to tell you the story about what's that sound. And once upon a time there was a girl named Reena. She was sleeping. Suddenly she heard a sound and at the middle of the night, and she woke up and stared at the clock. So she was scared and she picked up the stick and quietly crept out of the room, and the noise, she thought it was a giant monster like this teddy bear, but not huge as this. And she thought it was a giant monster, and she saw that the noise was coming from her father's bed. So she thought the noise was coming from underneath the bed. But when she saw it closely, the noise is coming from her father's nose. And when she recognized that, she laughed and laughed and laughed. So her father woke up. That was so silly. And she knew that the noise was coming from her father's nose and not a monster. And bye-bye, teacher.